What do you think about the grass, Raven?
Yes, it's just jellies.
Huh?
Yes, it's jellies.
Raven, what do you think? She's unsure of it. Huh? You can crawl.
Yes,
You can crawl. Not too sure. Raven, you can crawl. You can do it. You're stuck. Are you stuck in there? Raven? You're kind of stuck. Try it. Come here. What's that? Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. She's still unsure. Oh, oh, maybe not. You can crawl. Wow, what the sister got?
This one.
Nice chimes.
I love that. I want maybe the